Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rana Siti Fajriya. I'm from class 2C. My student number 192233030. For this time, I want to explain about degrees of likelihood. But before that, this video purpose to completely final exam Communicative English Grammar 1. Instead of thinking of truth and falsehood in black and white term, we can think in the term of scale of likelihood. The extremes of the scale are impossibility and certainty. Other intermediate concepts to be considered are possibility, probability, and improbability. Most important, by model auxiliary, can, may, must, or etc. You may be right. And then more for formally, by a sentence with introductory and it and that clause, it is possible you are right. By an adverbial such as necessarily, perhaps, probably, perhaps you are right. Jadi di sini kita alih-alih memikirkan kebenaran dan kepalsuan dalam istilah hitam putih, kita dapat berpikir dalam kerangka skala likelihood. Di antaranya adalah most importantly, menggunakan model auxiliaries, lalu more yang most importantly bisa menggunakan can, may, and must. Terus untuk more, yang more formally bisa menggunakan that clause. Seperti itu. Berikutnya, we shall give special attention where necessary that to use of auxiliaries in negative sentence, in question, in reference to past time, and in hypothetical clause. Auxiliary can, may, must can revert to future as well as to the present. The first one is possibility. Possibility bisa menggunakan can, may, could, might. Di sini possibility kemungkinan dalam fakta. The rain wheels, contohnya adalah the rain wheels may be improved. Perkereta apian dapat ditingkatkan. Lalu, it is possible that the rain wheels be improved. Mungkin, perhaps, atau possible, atau maybe the rain wheels will be improved. Berikutnya, possibility of the idea atau theoretical. The rain wheels can be improved. It is possible for the rain wheels to be improved. Possibility ini untuk kalimat untuk negatifnya adalah impossibility. Bisa menggunakan cannot atau can't. Untuk informal itu untuk informal, untuknya bukan may, tidak bisa jadi may not. Namun untuk yang cannot bisa jadi can't. Contohnya, he can't be working at this time. It is impossible that he is not working. He may not working. Maksudnya adalah mungkin bahwa dia tidak sedang bekerja. Lalu untuk kalimat interrogatif, pertanyaan, bisa menggunakan can, tapi menggunakan may. Contohnya, can he be working? Maksudnya adalah mungkin bahwa apakah dia sedang bekerja? Mungkinkah dia sedang bekerja? Lalu untuk past time atau lampau, for something which was possible in the past, use could. Untuk waktu yang lampau bisa menggunakan could. Contohnya, in those days, a man could be sentenced to death for a small crime. Pada masa itu, seorang pria bisa dijatuhi hukuman mati karena kejahatan kecil. For the present possibility of a past happening, use may and verb. We may have made a mistake. Maksudnya adalah kemungkinan bahwa kita telah melakukan kesalahan. Hypothetical, for hypothetical possibility, kemungkinan hypothetical, kita bisa menggunakan could atau might. Were to make a mistake, the wolfman could be right. Kesalahan secara seluruh rencana dapat hancur. Tentative possibility, could and might in their hypothetical sense are often used to express tentative possibility to talk something which is possible but unlikely. Untuk membicarakan sesuatu yang mungkin tetapi tidak mungkin. Contohnya, he could be telling lies. Dia mungkin menceritakan kemalasannya. It is possible that he is telling lies. Could you have dapatkah kamu leave your purse on the bus? It is just possible. Ability ini kemampuan, bisa menggunakan can, be able to, or extra. The notion of ability also expressed by can is closely related to the theoretical possibility. Untuk ini tuh, jadi ability itu untuk mengungkapkan bisa menggunakan can atau to be able to. Contohnya, he can speak English fluently. Dia bisa atau will you be able to meet us in London tomorrow? Di sini notion for ability is in a ability, bisa menggunakan cannot atau can't, or be unable to, or be incapability of. He can't speak German very well. For question, can you drive a car? Untuk waktu yang lampau, could biasanya untuk waktu yang lampau ini menggunakan could, tapi could di sini biasanya tentang knew how to, tahu bagaimana caranya, dan merujuk permanen dan atau habitual ability, kebiasaan. Contohnya, he could play the piano when he was 5. Jadi dia dapat bermain piano ketika dia umur 5. Lalu berikutnya, was atau were able to often combine the ideas of ability and achievement. By acting quickly, we were able to save him for rowing means. Jadi maksudnya di sini kita bisa menyamakannya. For hypothetically ini, I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. Jadi ability itu buat hypotheticalnya bisa seperti contohnya, I'm hungry, aku lapar. Aku lapar hingga aku bisa makan kuda, seperti itu analoginya. bukan analoginya sih, jadi kayak certainly or logical necessity, must, have to, etc. Must di sini tuh kepastiannya, kepastian atau kebutuhan logis. Bisa menggunakan must plus infinitive and have plus to infinitive can express certainty or logical necessity. Contohnya, there must be some mistake, you have to be joking. The contrasting relationship between possibility and certainty can be seen in his father can still be alive, his father must be died. Untuk negatifnya, negatif dan positif, negatif dan question. Does there have to be motive for the crime? Is there necessarily a motive for the crime? Prediction and predictability. Use will and must often express a certain about an event which we do not observe, but about which we draw a conclusion from evidence. Harus Mas di sini sering mengungkapkan suatu kepastian tentang suatu peristiwa yang tidak kita amati, tetapi tentang itu kita menarik kesimpulan dari buku. You might say that must be my wife or that must be my husband. I know that he is due the pawn at about this time, and I therefore conclude that she's pawning now. Jadi dari prediksi ini prediksi ini kan menggunakan will and must. Lalu contohnya itu prediksi itu kayak ini, that itu pasti suami saya. Soalnya kita tahu jam segitu tuh pasti suami kita tuh pasti nelpon gitu. Jadi tanpa kita dikasih tahu atau apapun, karena mungkin udah jadi kebiasaan. Misalkan jam 4 sore nih ada telepon, nah kita pasti udah tahu aja itu pasti suami kita suami saya, seperti itu ya, seperti itu. There is a little difference here between must and will. Perbedaan must dan will di sini, John will have arrived by now. Also, John will have arrived by tomorrow. John must have arrived by now, but not just must he arrive by tomorrow. Probability, use ought to, sold, etc. The ought to and sold can express probability and can be regarded as weaker equivalent must of certain. Compare, our guest must be home by now, I'm certain. Aku yakin tamu kita harus pulang sekarang, aku yakin. Atau our guests ought to should be home by now, they probably are, but I'm not certain. Tamu kita harus sampai di rumah sekarang, memang begitu, namun saya tidak yakin. Should is more frequent to ought to. So that's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.